Alright, hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm doing another Arduino video. Today I'm going to show you how to use a potentiometer with an Arduino board. I'm using a 1K potentiometer. If you want to follow along with what I'm doing today, you'll need this 1K potentiometer, an Arduino board. I'm using an Arduino Uno. 3 wires, female to male, to connect the potentiometer up to the board. And then later to also demonstrate how to use potentiometers, you're making the potentiometer control this servo. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, to wire up and get the potentiometer working, what you need to do is plug the 3 female ends into the potentiometer's 3 pins. Alright, there we go. And then the 3 male ends will go, so the left pin, the orange one, is going to go into 5 volts. The middle pin, which is the signal pin, will go into A0, so it's because it's going to be an analog signal. And then the green pin will go into negative, so it can ground. Alright, so now it's wired up, let's get onto the coding. Alright, so now we'll get onto the code. Ignore the comments for now with the 2 forward slashes at the start. Those will be used for the servo later. So for now we're just worried about the code that isn't commented. So we start by setting the potentiometer signal pin as A0, the first analog pin. And then we set an integer for what the potentiometer is at. So I set that as potnum, or for potentiometer number. It starts at 0. Then we go on to the setup. I set the A0 or potentiometer signal pin as an input, and I started the serial. Then we go into the loop. So I've set the potentiometer number to equal the analog read of the potentiometer pin, and then the serial will output the potentiometer number. Alright, so now I'll upload this code. Now the serial will start outputting numbers that the potentiometer is at. So right now I set it to position 0, and when I move it, it changes. It's between 0 and 1023. So when I turn it up and down, it changes the number, and we can use that number to set different things for different positions. So that's how to wire up potentiometer to your Arduino. Now I'm going to attach a servo to it so we can see some uses for it. Alright, so now I've wired the servo up and the code's already there. So I've just like the last video, I will include the servo code, then I set the servo as a name servo, then I attach the servo to pin 2, and then set it to position 0, set the servo to whatever the potentiometer number is, divide that by 5.684. So because the servo can only be between 0 and 180, and the potentiometer is between 0 and 1023. So if we divide it by 5.684, it's around about perfect for the servo. And then just delay 50 to avoid any bad readings. So I'll upload this code. And then it'll start reading. Yeah, so now that it sets to 0, like the potentiometer, and then when I move the potentiometer, the servo moves with it. Basically mimics the potentiometer's movement. And this can be used for different applications like a robotic arm, or if you had to, like an aiming device. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and what else you want me to make a video on. And I'll see you guys next time.